Ever wondered how a 1960s factory strike can illuminate today's complex employment laws? Join us as we delve into the compelling world of Made in Dagenham, transforming a cinematic struggle into a powerful legal training ground for students, employees, employers, and legal professionals alike. Our journey begins in 1968 at the Ford Dagenham plant, where Rita O'Grady and her fellow sewing machinists fought for equal pay. This true story provides a vivid, relatable backdrop to analyze fundamental UK employment law principles, offering crucial insights into workplace rights and obligations. Movie scenario: Rita and her colleagues received basic terms upon hiring, but their daily work life shaped their true employment contract. Ford's actions, not just written words, defined their relationship. Legal explanation: a contract of employment is a legally binding agreement, often a blend of written, oral, and implied terms. Understanding its scope is vital for both parties, as it dictates rights and responsibilities. UK case law: Wells v. Devani, 2019, UKSC 4 confirms contracts can be binding even without fully written terms. Tesco Stores Ltd v. Esta, 2024, reinforces that employers cannot unilaterally alter contractual conditions. Movie scenario: Rita is clearly an employee, but consider a temporary specialist, Sally, who invoices Ford, or a flexible part-time cleaner, Tom. Their legal statuses differ significantly. Legal explanation: employment status determines an individual's rights and protections. Employees have the most rights, workers have some, while independent contractors operate with minimal statutory protection. UK case law: Ready Mixed Concrete, Southeast, Ltd v. Minister of Pensions, 1968, established key tests for employment status. Buber BV v. Aslam, 2021, UKSC 5 highlighted that the reality of the working relationship, not just labels, defines status. Movie scenario: the Dagenham machinists expected fair treatment and a safe environment, even if unwritten. When Ford's actions undermined this trust, it sparked their grievances. Legal explanation: implied terms are unwritten obligations inherent in every employment contract. These include mutual trust and confidence, and the employer's duty to provide a safe workplace. UK case law: Laws v. London Chronicle, Indicator Newspapers, Ltd, 1959, established the implied term of mutual trust. Malik v. Bank of Credit and Commerce International SA, 1997, confirmed that employer conduct can breach this fundamental term. Movie scenario: imagine Ford, frustrated by the strike, decides to fire Rita for her leadership. This act constitutes a dismissal, ending her employment. Legal explanation: dismissal occurs when an employer terminates a contract, with or without notice. Proper procedures and valid reasons are crucial to avoid legal challenges. UK case law: Taylor v. Metroline emphasizes the necessity of fair disciplinary procedures. Western Excavating, ECC, Ltd v. Sharp, 1978, defined constructive dismissal, where an employer's breach forces resignation. Movie scenario: if Ford dismissed Rita without a fair reason or proper process, she could claim unfair dismissal. An employment tribunal would then scrutinize Ford's actions. Legal explanation: unfair dismissal protects employees from arbitrary termination. Employers must demonstrate a fair reason, e.g., conduct, capability, and follow a just procedure. UK case law: British Home Stores Ltd v. Burchell, 1978, set out the Burchell test for misconduct dismissals. Eddie Stobart Ltd v. Graham underscored the importance of handling grievances fairly to prevent unfair dismissal claims. Understanding these foundational employment law principles is critical for everyone. Employees, know your rights; employers, ensure your practices are compliant; and legal professionals, deepen your analytical insights. Review your contracts, understand your status, and champion fair workplace practices. Engage with these concepts, seek expert advice when needed, and contribute to a just and equitable working environment for all.